Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Saifuddin bin Muhammad Nasir.
My name is Muhammad Izzat Syahmi bin Muhammad Arif.
My name is Siti Sarah binti Adnan.
My name is Rianti binti Abdul Rahman.
And my name is Nazrin Faiz bin Ahmad Fauzi.
We are discussing on the importance of sustainable agriculture practice.
Zero burning. Zero burning is a technique of land clearing whereby the trees stand either log or as secondary forest or an old area of plantation. The zero burning is done by felling down old trees and shredding them using mechanics. Then it is left in situ to decompose. It is usually be done before the replanting process. Zero burning reduces the pollution of soil and air as there is no burning involved in the process, thus not release any toxics into the air, also through water. How is the zero burning is sustained to the environment? It is sustained by promote the retaining of nutrients into the soil. As plant decompose, it releases back the nutrients into the soil and then supply back into the new crop. And zero burning is considered as the most economical and environmental friendly way to clear land in purpose of replanting.
Hi, another sustainable agricultural practice is integrated pest management, which is IPM. There are many eco-friendly methods in IPM. I want to discuss two methods under biological control, which is barn or box, and another one is beneficial plant. Alright, barn or box is used in plantation to control the rats population. Using these methods, it can benefit us. Firstly, reducing the cost of buying pesticide because we already use the biological control. Then, we can reduce the rat population. And thirdly, which is the most important, is we reduce the usage of pesticide. This can help us reduce the soil toxicity so we can ensure healthy soil for the future. Next is the beneficial plant. For example, Cassia carbonensis. This plantation area we choose practice beneficial plant method. You can see here, beneficial plant, Cassia carbonensis. This is the example of Cassia carbonensis. Beneficial plant can be used to attract beneficial insects such as bee and spider to the plantation field to attack destructive insects such as rhinoceros beetle. The benefits of using this beneficial plant is firstly it reduces cost. Secondly, it will reduce the population of destructive pests or insect, and the most important is we use less usage of pesticide. Thus, soil fertility is not disturbed and can be sustained for a longer time. So, this is some importance of sustainability agricultural practice from me. Thank you.
LCC help in sustainable in agriculture practice by soil improving in soil pollution, soil erosion, and helps in regulate moisture and temperature. This practice reduce source of pollution from runoff and erosion from the agriculture chemicals such as pesticide or herbicide. This will protect water quality. Cover crop improve soil health and nutrient. Legume cover crop and adding the nutrient in the soil. Their roots can unlock some nutrient and converting them to the available form which is in organic form. Cover crop provide habitat and source of food for some important soil microorganisms that will break up compacted soil and help in dry out of wet soil. LCC increase water content that help the uptake of the nutrient because uptake of water nutrient needed as in organic. LCC speeding the absorption of the water that are accessed on the surface of the soil. LCC help in cover the soil to avoid the penetration of the sunlight into the soil, and this will result the less moisture stress during drought. The example of the LCC, which is Mucuna bracteata and Carponodium mucunoides. But we have found another LCC, which is soybean. This is soybean, and the conformation of this LCC that is, it has a green pod, which is this. This shows that it is a LCC cover crop.
Drainage system is a system by which water is drained on or in the soil to enhance agricultural production of crops. Drainage usually being used in every plantation area. It is very necessary, especially to reduce the waterlogged and control the basal stem rot disease by causal agent of Ganoderma bonaerensis. There are three types of drain, which are main drain. This is the example of main drain. The second is collection drain, and the last one is subsidiary drain. Main drain basically is collected from the subsidiary drain and also the collection drain, while the collection drain is collected from the subsidiary drain. Subsidiary drain is where the water that accumulates on the surface of the oil palm plantation area, they will flow into the subsidiary drain. As we all know, basal stem rot disease is a very serious disease, a severe disease in oil palm. So by having this drainage system, we can control the water level of the plantation area, which is one of the control methods that we can apply in this plantation area. Besides, this water management can maintain the moisture of the soil. When there is a moisture in the soil, the rate of diffusion will increase. So the rate of plant uptake of nutrients also will increase, and the plant will grow healthy. Moisture also can regulate the temperature of the soil. Good temperature can be favorable for microbe to live. As the concentration of microbe in soil is high, the microbial activity also will be high. So there will be a high amount of available nutrients for uptake of the plant. I also can say that drainage can reduce the soil erosion because it can hold high amount of rainfall, which resulting in less runoff.
Next, for sustainable agriculture practice, we can use the husbandry. Husbandry is the care, cultivation and breeding of crops and animals. As we know, the livestock is producing manure, which is good for our soil. Manure is a source of organic material, which it will decompose to be a humus. Humus is a part of soil colloid that can increase cation exchange capacity, CEC. Then our soil can hold many nutrients. Besides, the humus can improve the soil aggregation. It is good for the plant, and it is also good for our pocket because we save our money to buy the fertilizer. Oh, before I forget, the livestock is also grazing the grass, which is the weed. It is our unwanted plant at our plantation. Again, it also saves our money to buy the herbicide, and also it is a sustainable agriculture practice. This is the livestock that we managed to find at this plantation area. See, the cow is grazing the grass. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.